Alrighty, we're live. So we're gonna be chomping through the charts of the ASX bull chart. Boom, baby. Yeah, that sounds good. That sounds real good. All right, let's have a look what I've been fucking looking at. Yeah. Hopefully, I've got you guys on the right screen, but I hope it's the right one. Seeing this is one of the first videos. But okay, so I'm looking at ELD. ELD is limited, man. This formation here, it looks very, very interesting to me. So it does look like it might be a bit of a top. If you zoom right out, I'm on the daily candles right now. If you see all the squiggly lines, I'll explain in other videos. Just for now, just bear with me and just fucking strap yourself in. I'm going to take you on a fucking ride. Yeah. Here we go, lads. Ladies, if you listen, if you haven't actually got this far. All right, so I'm loving this one. I'm absolutely loving this one. Um, what I can show you is that it's on a very, very strong upward trend. That's on the daily candles. I mean, look at that beast. Boom, boom, boom. It keeps on going up. Has consolidated here, broke out of consolidation, come back down, and looks like it actually does look like it's just starting to make higher lows and starting to move away. On the volume scanner here, the VRVP, you can tell that there is a lot of support and resistance in this area. So this resistance, sorry, has been broken and it could act as a very strong support. So there's a lot of volume that's entered in this one area here. So I believe that this is going to take a lot of selling just to try to break through there. And like judging by the general market sentiment, how everything's been going down, this is the one thing that's been going up strongly too. Hey man, ain't not too bad of a thing to keep an eye on. So MACD, it's looking good. It's looking good. It's going up real big. Looks like it's about to fucking burst. So what I'd be waiting for is, oh fuck, this is already a bit of a trade for me. It's going to load up and hold, but I'm waiting for this just to go back down a little bit. That's not so much as a trend line because I haven't made it clear. Yeah, like if I try to draw a trend line for you guys, right, I can only get these two because I go off the bottoms, don't include the wicks. Over time, you'll understand, or I'll show you that wicks can be included just for direction and support for the trend line, but it varies. You have to use your due diligence in that. More comes from experience than anything else. But so those that know, it has to touch at least three. That's count it really. This is just a direction. It's just going up right now. That's the pivot point there. Bounce. It's going up. Boom, boom, boom. Nice little waves. I love it. Absolutely love it. It's divergent up there. I hope the music in the background's not too loud. I'll put it down a bit. Calm down. Much better. Much better. All right. Yeah, so I'm liking this one. I'm just waiting for this to pull back, bounce. So something like this. Boom, and then fucking boom, boom, bushka. Off to take off. So watching that one. That's a really nice one. I like it. I like it. Let's see what else I got written down here. I do have borrow. Let's have a look at that. Borrow BLD. The reason I've been looking at this one is it is fucking shat the bed, as you can tell right here. It's making a beautiful curve, and as you can see, I've got a beautiful fucking prediction right there. Yeah, take a screenshot. I'm telling you right now, that's gonna take you somewhere. No, look, I'm just drew it in right. So it is forming a bit of a scallop here. Beautiful, nice curve. It is touching. I've got it touching the bottoms of these candles too. It's like bushka, 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 and fucking bushka right there. This is my general prediction. It's going to come back down, bounce off this trend line here, and on this rise up here, I'm going to wait for it to punch through this high. Okay, so these are the highs we're looking at here. Bit of a ceiling there, but look at this fuck off MACD divergent. That was the line that was there before. I just deleted it, so I copied that there. Bushka to fucking Bushka. Look at that. That's going down. That's going up. Mate, if I was a better man, right? So, yeah, kind of predicting this to just fucking take off skis right up here. There is a big, big gap to close there. Very, very big gap to close. So, if you've read any books, I highly suggest you do. gaps are important. I'll let you guys figure that one out. I'll eventually tell you, but fuck it for now. Figure that shit out yourself. So yeah, so that gap to close. Boom, boom, boom. That's going to jump up. We got a very big volume spike come through here. I'm wondering who's done that. Interesting. Someone knows something. Yeah, so that's kind of what I'm looking at here. We've got a bounce, rejection, bounce back down, and then just we're going to the fucking moon. Yeah, I'm going to call Elon and be like, motherfucker, get me on the SpaceX pitch. Nah, I won't even need to. I have my own. Yeah, so that's a good one. That's a nice one. Let me see if I can throw in another 3 and don't make this video too long, and I'll just keep throwing up videos as I find these. But what do I got here? What's an interesting one? I've got a double bottom. Oh shit, let's check out this one. PTM, motherfucker. PTM. Alright, Platinum Asset Management. What are you guys up to? And why do I have a double? Oh, I do. I fucking do have a double bottom. This absolute beautiful fucking example of shitting the bed. What have you guys done? Platinum Asset Management. Don't know. Don't care. Alright, so we're looking at it down here. I had it written down double bottom, so this could be a potential stage 1. If you don't know what a stage 1 is, again, read a fucking book, figure that shit out yourself. But again, I'll tell you eventually. But, kind of a double bottom. Not complete. Double bottom has look for 2 candle closes the same area that has closed lower. Check that one out yourself. PTM on the ASX. So not quite confirmed double bottom. This rally is still going down. I am liking it. I am keeping an eye on it because if it bottoms out, well, I like bottom fishing. So fucking a bit of Burley here. We'll just fucking get these guys all rattled up. Send it. It'll take a while though. It'll take a while. I do have a MACD divergent here, so by that I mean this price is going lower while the MACD is going higher. It's small, it's little, there's volume spikes in there, just shows interest. It's teetering off a bit though, I don't blame it. Yeah, so we're just going to keep an eye on it. I'm going to put an alert in up here just to eyes on this one. If it breaks that, then I'm going to throw an eye onto it because it looks like there's going to be a bit of a rally, break through all these. Yeah, it's not too bad, worth keeping an eye on. What else have I got here? ALG, bang, baby. Let's throw it up. Let's find out what she's got for us. Triple bottom support plus potential triangle. Oh, that sounds good. Let's have a look. Another big fuck off skis drop. Look at that. What a gap. Oh, that's where the triangle is. So if I take the indicator away, that's kind of what we're looking at here. Overall, yeah, well, it's still downtrending stock, right? It's hit new highs, but what I mean by new highs, I mean from here to here. It's a new high, okay? Just in case you don't know what I'm talking about. But let's just dive right in there. Let's see what we got. Why? Oh yeah. Wait, nah. Validated, boys, lads. Fuck, pack up, go home, get the fuck out of this one. There's still a bit of a triangle, but unfortunately, that's not what I wanted to see. I always wanted candle closes on top of the triangle. That closed below it. So the last 2 days, that's changed. Why the fuck did I put this up here? What an embarrassment. ALG, go home, piss in. Yeah, I don't like it too much anymore, unfortunately. Although it is in a triangle, I am still looking for the breakout. Just don't like the fact that there's 2 candle closes below that. Yeah, there's a wick there. Still not ideal. Could do that. You're forcing it. There's an ascending triangle, descending triangle, one of the two. So yeah, I have an alert. You can see alert placed on the triangle top to break. So if that takes off, goes through here. Yeah, there's a bit of resistance there. It's still a void, but worth keeping an eye on just because of the pattern. You do want to trade the patterns. You don't really want to fuck with anything else. It's kind of what you look for, but the volume is teetering off. So yeah, get back to find better ones. I'll get one more in because I don't want to make this video too long, but I have resistance I spotted at QGL. Shit, let's go with QGL. Quantum Graphite Limited. What have I got here? Oh yeah, shit, look at you. There is so much happening here. Yeah, look at this. I've got notes here. cipher pattern. Basically, that's what we're looking at here. Ooh, sneaky, sneaky. Unfortunately, it's breaking, so this might not look that good on the videos. I'll clean it up a little bit, and I haven't even explained to you the Fibonacci's. Get there. Breakout after its first high and low. Promise over the next rally. See that shit? I've got a note there. I suggest people doing this on your own trading view or trading platforms. Write your notes in, date it too, put a timestamp, fucking let yourself know when and why you're looking at it. It's very, very important. I've got Elliott wave in there too. Again, another thing I'll explain in other videos. The day after this green line, QGL does not break and hold above 3 seconds. Expect a good correction. Yeah, corrected. Go figure. Love it. Fucking loves it. There's a beautiful triangle breakout out there. We've got a cipher pattern, basically some form of Gartley harmonic patterns, as you can see up here. Yeah, unfortunately, it's very sad to see. There is a pattern here. There is a triangle. It is. It's a beautiful triangle, but it's broken. It's broken. So can I readjust for it? Not really. I don't like that. Unfortunately, that's not what I wanted to see. I've liked this one. So I was waiting for a break above this line here, this trend line, whatever, horizontal line. And after that, I was going to jump in for a trade, but unfortunately that's broken. So that's not as good as I thought it would be. It was looking very positive for a little while, but that's starting to turn. So unfortunately, QGL, you have fucking failed me, man. Go home. Go home. Well, I'll throw a random one up for you. When I say random commodities, let's go for gold. This is how I'm looking at gold. Yummy, fuck me, look at all that shit up everywhere. I'm going to zoom out for you guys so you can see how I've actually been looking at this and predicted it before. So I actually like that Fibonacci in there. I'll explain why I used it. I'm just going to remember why I did it. Okay, yep. So I did predict that I had this triangle set up here, beautiful triangle. Wherever it breaks, it was going to take off to, and it broke that line, took off. Yep, absolutely, we had that, but unfortunately it just didn't hold at all. It's totally shitting the bed, hardcore. You can tell, you can see it did a double top, so that's another reversal pattern there. That's a big one too. We're going down, lads. I'm predicting gold's going down, unfortunately. It's a very, very sad story. So support breaking the large candle, heading lower, for projecting for 155. Yeah, so we're heading down to here. That's my prediction for gold. Yeah, gold needs to bring that top blue line. So there is another triangle in there here going down. But yeah, this is where we're kind of heading with gold. All right, guys. Sad to see. Do believe that's what's going to happen. We do have a little bit of a battle going on right here. I can show you where that's happening. So there is this zone here that's battling, but since it's on a downtrend, whoa, once it breaks, right, it'll bounce around in there for a little bit, but once it breaks, this is my prediction, it's going to head down over the next wave continuation. So it's kind of happening already. Anyway, there is a divergence, but nothing clear yet. We want that blue line to break before anything happens. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I'll be making a shit ton more. There's so much out there, so many opportunities, so enjoy yourself, stay safe, stay sexy, and all the best. Good luck with your trading, guys. Take care.